how to use OneNote in Outlook meeting. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can link your OneNote application to the Outlook and how you can use it in meeting. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so first here you have to just open the Outlook, OneNote or application from your computer. Okay, just open the OneNote, and if you first time log in with your OneNote, then you have to log in with your account. You have to log in with your account, Hotmail account or Microsoft account in your OneNote. Then just open it, keep it open. Now just go to the Microsoft application, and here you can see the OneNote. Okay, so now if I go to the meetings, and if you want to create the meeting, you can see there the OneNote has been added. So now how you can use it? Okay, so you can use it for the you can okay, so OneNote basically you can note something here. Okay, there is a folder. Okay, so I have two folder, you can see OneNote Outlook and OneNote this is another name. Okay, so I have two folder here in the, and under the folder I have section. You can see I have 5 section, and under the section I have pages. So you can see netcard 4 section, I have 3 pages. I can add pages here if I want. Okay, so this is like notebook. OneNote is like notebook, and you can use it to connect to others Google or Microsoft applications, sorry, Microsoft application. So how you can connect to Outlook, I will show you. So here uh, in Outlook meeting you can use the OneNote to insert the any note from OneNote to Outlook meeting, or you can also save your Outlook meeting to the OneNote. Okay, so when I click on OneNote, so you can see there is a two option. Okay, so share OneNote with with the meeting. So just click on this body icon, body, go to the OneNote, and if you want to share something from OneNote to the meeting, just click on it. Now you will see all your folder. This is my two folder, and this is the recent I just use. So you can pick up from directly here, or just expand your books or folder and select the uh, section here, and under section you will see your all pages. So you can see in the section there's the 4 pages I have in this section. So I want to add this meeting, I want to add something to this meeting, so I just select the this page, okay, or section, and just click on OK. So the will link will be insert here, OneNote link. So anybody click on it, the OneNote will be open. Okay, so they can read the all notes about meeting. So another option, you can say OneNote take the notes on your own. So you can take the notes if you want, just go to the take notes. Okay, from here go to, you can switch the your folder and go to the section. Under section you can switch the folder, and you can note, you can take the note if you want. So give the name, whatever subject you want, and here you can create the note or anything, and just come back to the Outlook. That is done. Okay, it is done now. So it is automatically, so you don't need to save, it is done. Okay, so that is how you can use the OneNote. And there is a one option you can use, I will show you. If you enable OneNote from here, go to the file, go to the option here, go to the option, go to the advanced, and under the setting you will see the others option, and here you can see use send to OneNote with window 10 if available. Just click on it and just click on OK. So now if you go in meeting and create the meeting, and if you use the OneNote from here, so you can see there is a uh, another option you can see, which is you can directly save your meeting to the OneNote. Okay, so this is for only save your meeting to the OneNote. Okay, so here you can expand your folder, select the section, and you can save this meeting under this folder. Okay, so this is another option you can use. And now go to the color. Okay, customize ribbons. Okay, you don't have one all commands. Let me show you something. Note. Okay, that is all, guys. That is how you can use OneNote in Outlook. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.